little bit it annoys us, tests our patience, everything it does. Already, if you see today, little bit kind of sideways before the market opening and all, it was sideways only, trapping both the side. Now movement is still pending. I don't know why it's taking more time. US market also is opened, everything is done. Your fresh traders also on the bearish side will enter only when, if in case market goes below the zone here, and all small sellers only will enter. So this means seller has to give up. For that, first this zone it has to break, then this zone. While adding money, fails many attempts, any reason, sir? I'm not understanding your question, sir. Sorry. If you can elaborate or give me more clarity, I will try to answer. Which strategy you will suggest for beginners for Indian market? See, more than strategy, first you need to understand the psychology of the market. To understand the psychology, first start learning price action. Price action is important. Once you learn that concept, things will kind of fall into place. You will just start understanding the market better. Learn that, become a bit experienced with that. Slowly you will see, okay, price action market is happening, but here or there sudden spikes are coming, setups are failing. Why is it happening? You will start thinking. When you start thinking about that, then you will start learning about stop loss hunting concept. Okay, the seller is give up soon. Okay, now the seller is given up. The seller has to give up now. This is his zone. So once market reach the zone, what I said I will do, I'll reduce my stop loss. Okay. The seller also is given up. Not yet. Candle closing has not yet happened. Now here the seller will give up or not. Contradiction is there, confusion is there. So this, for safe traders, usually I say no, safe traders, this is your exit point. This will be your exit point if you're a safe trader. Or trail your stop loss to max, whatever you want. You can do. Even I'm not sure if the seller is going to give up or not. If he gives up only, I will get the target. If he's strong, again here sideways, same situation. As of now, he did not give up in this candle, this seller, right? Exit zone for anyone who took trade. This will be an ideal place. If you are holding with me, hold. We will see if we will get this target. Little more loss I will reduce. So much reduce. Fine. Advise how much capital we should use for first trade. Sir, I have done basic for crypto. Please have a look at that. It's there in our YouTube channel. If you go to our YouTube channel, in the playlist section, you will get to know. Okay. There is one video for crypto basic. In that, I think 35 minutes video, every basic concepts I have explained. See, this is profit booking zone. Who wants to trail the stop loss also start trailing. And hopefully market gives me the target which I'm looking for. Now that the seller has given up here, right? The seller has given up here. Then basically, as per my understanding, this zone and all should not be respected. Market has to break that zone 8 out of 10 times. That is what will happen. Once the seller has given up and is not shown strength, next upside movement only. ETH. ETH is near seller zone, so only little bit contradiction is happening. That's fine. Why don't you add some more quantity? No, in this already 600 quantity I added. In BTC I've kept a limit 500, 600 quantity is more than sufficient. Why I have to add more position? When market is starting to go as per my direction, if I had taken just less quantity, let's say around 200, here I would have added, here I would have added, that I would have done. But already first only I've added quantity. See, who wants to book, you book, okay? Already the movement is decent enough. Close to, how many points is this? 550 points. Why I'm saying this is because this zone, sellers were entering in the past. So exiting there is not a bad idea. I don't know if anyone exited, let me know. Did you exit or you're holding with me? If you're holding with me now, risk for this trade is 0. Okay, who exited also not a bad idea here. But I feel there is potential, so I'm holding, and maximum my loss also have reduced. So for me, nothing to lose in this trade, no. Why don't you put stop loss in the area in which you get profits, sir? That's okay, sir. Don't worry. Here suddenly this is a resistance, no. Suddenly what might happen is one spike can come and quickly it will reverse. That time I will not be able to achieve my target. So for me, risk is 0. So whatever happens, let it happen. This also is a resistance area. Who wants to book here also, you can book. ETH also going to resistance. Holding. Who's holding? If you want safely, you can get your stop loss here. So it will be like you're trading along with me also, and if you exit also, reasonable profit you will make an exit. This 1 week, if it wouldn't had formed, how much confusion would have reduced? Yeah? 87,700. Someone said no, here this zone I'll think about exiting. Please exit if you want. No, for me, stop loss 180. 80,000 psychological level. No, people who have taken shots, who's placed shots at the upper level, they should start running for cover. Because of that quick momentum, more should come. Yeah. 88,000. Almost there, but fine. Now we will. So what happens? $300. This I will extend. This is the target, but I'm just kind of extending to see either I'll make $300 profit or 647, 675. Round number is there. That one problem is there for me. Almost there near the target zone, this zone. $350 target reached. Psychological level. Do you have any video about Nifty option selling in our YouTube channel? You will find. Psychological level market has broken. So whatever happens, $480. If I get more move, fine. 88,200 is a nice zone. Whoever booked the profit, fine. I've also trailed my stop loss to maximum. 670. Little bit, if market holds, then we can decide to exit. 2019. Who all wants to book, you can book, traders. Okay, I've trailed. Trailing along with you, sir. Okay. Psychological level is there. 88,000 also market broke. Now little bit near 88,200 somewhat pressure it can create. So what we will do, we will try to find, if I get, fine, or else my more than my initial target only I've got here. Okay. Done, traders. The setup is done. I think 1.5 hours our live stream went. But see, this is how usually stop loss hunting happens. Stop loss hunting works. Market initially, let's say it gave a breakout, it corrected, then more weak sellers who has less capital, they will think about entering the market. After they enter, liquidity on top will be created. More liquidity here, all these zones will be there. And once, who created pressure? This seller, right? And here one seller. Now if this seller gave up at this zone, then this seller also, once he gives up at this zone, what did I say? This and all market, it will not matter. It will go, right? It will go to the psychological level. it went, it gave the movement. Okay, if you rewatch this multiple times, I would have explained, as long as this buyer doesn't give up, we should not be looking for bearish trade. Okay, so how, why the zone, why market reversed from the zone and all, based on the strategy, what I've thought here. If you watch this only, you will get to know, right? 45 minutes video is there. If you watch that, you will get more clarity. And if you want to learn that strategy for free, you can open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. With that link only you need to open, then you message us, we will give you access to the crypto community group. Okay, that is what it is. I'm kind of exhausted right now. Any further setup is there means later I will share. What happened to your trades? Did you guys book along with me? Did you book the profits? How many people actually took the trade with me? If you have learned something new today, then support the channel traders by liking the video. It motivates me also. Trailing stop loss in Nifty doesn't work as good as crypto. The market is exactly volatile, especially today. You should know the days when you need to trail the stop loss, when you should not trail. For me, when I will trail, what did I say? This seller, once he gives up, okay, then only my stop loss, what is there, I'm starting to trail to cost. Slowly only I'm getting. Because if there is a big movement, this is the big movement which I'm expecting. Okay, that too in scalping only we did, right? 1 minute time frame. How much movement is this? This is close to 1100 points. So for 1100 points, that to 1 minute time frame scalping, if you're doing, then you have to give some buffer, right? In 1 minute spikes can happen. Anyways, traders, hope you guys learned something new today. Ethereum is at seller zone. I don't think so, because it is resistance something. Now what can happen is, here any random people take entry considering that 88,000 will not break, later market can move up to trap them. Okay, so once 88 levels market, if it's falling down also, some people will take bearish trade to trap them. Little momentum can come, but here at this point of time I'm not taking any kind of direction. This can be just a pullback before an upside move. Already one hour usually I come live, now today 1.5 hours because of the setup. Alright traders, support the channel, like the video. If you want the strategy, open account with Delta Exchange and then send a WhatsApp message to the number which you are seeing on the screen. Okay, this is the phone number. If you're getting confused, I will type it only better. So send a WhatsApp message to this number. After opening account, my team will give you access to this one. Please share your Delta Exchange user ID. Along with that, complete at least 1 or 2 trades to ensure that you're a person who's, from our end we can validate that okay, this person is not opening account randomly. And those who wish to, they say I'm very new to crypto, I don't know certain things, then for you guys there is one basic video. Okay, I'll share that link right now in the comment section. You guys see there is a link. You watch that basic video. In that, lot of concept as to lot size, how much risk you can take if you're beginner, all those things and all we have explained. Okay, you can watch that, you will get basic understanding as to how we approach the market. It might be useful for you. Okay, All right, traders, thank you for participating in the live stream. I hope you learned something new today. Good night, take care. I'll see you tomorrow.